Hello everybody, welcome. I am Janko, I am the Chief Technical Officer and I am the head of IO, and today we will be seeing SN-2. We're gonna see how well it does, so yeah. It is gonna be a static fire test, as well as a cryogenic test. 25 minutes here, as you can see, and it is on the pad. You can see here we have 3 other cameras on the screen. And we are back. We had a little LOS there.
SN-2 methane load has started.
As you hear, mission control is checking everything on the vehicle to ensure it is safe and ready to go for the static fire test. Oh.
SN-2 lock float has started.
Mission control continuing to give amazing callouts. It seems like we're gonna be doing a cryo first. I see someone in the chat asking, what day is launch? We have a launch tomorrow, actually, so looking forward to that. And it is a Europa flight tomorrow.
Fuel loading is proceeding nominally.
Good callouts there. As you see, there's white lines on the vehicle. That is condensation of the fuel, as how cold it is. So that is basically ice, as you see there. Someone asked, how late is the launch tomorrow? It is at 9:15 a.m. at NZDT, so looking forward. See someone asking in the chat, what is cryogenic? It means the vehicle is filling up with propellant to see if the structure is able to basically, how do I say this? Fill it in as the structure. To see if, the structure can support the strength temperatures.
The Misto initial engine chill down.
And now we are at T-minus 20 minutes.
SN-2 fueling is proceeding nominally.
I see someone in chat asking any go no go polls. Yes, I believe there should be at least a go no go poll at T-minus 2 minutes. Or around there somewhere, around T-minus 2 to 1 minute. You should be hearing. As you see, it's a nice clear day today on the pad. Like to see it clear. Mission control, casually checking everything to see if everything, is fine with the vehicle and ensure safety. As we, we like to provide safety for everyone, not only for the people, but the vehicle as well, so.
Mission control confirms things are proceeding nominally.
As you hear there, things are proceeding nominally, which means everything is going according to plan. As you see, we have a poll in the chat, successful static fire. You could put your thoughts there, yes or no, or if you don't know. T-minus 15 minutes now.
Initial system disconnect.
Things are going to according to plan here. T-minus 15 minutes.
Tanks are 60% full. Fuel temperatures and pressures are good at this time.
As you hear there, the tank is 60% full. And everything is good so far. Glad to hear that.
All systems tracking go for SN-2, cryogenic and static fire test.
You're approaching that T-minus 10 minutes. See if everything's going well.
COPV pressurization has started.
If you have any questions, feel free to put them in the chat and we might go through them.
Keep out zones remain clear at this time.
Mission control continuing to give good callouts. Luckily no holds so far, so that's good news.
Bahia tracking station has a two-way link with SN2, packet loss 0. ADA's alignment has started.
T-minus 10 minutes now. Continuing count.
Initial FTS checkouts. Status alignment has started. Emisto engine gimbal test. Weather is go at this time. RCS testing has begun. Hold.
It appears we have a hold. We should be hearing Y from LD soon, hopefully.
RCS testing has not started when planned. Checkouts are beginning now. We appear to have fixed the issue. We are resuming count. 3,
We are resuming
2, 1, mark.
And there we have it. The count is gonna continue.
Methane
Now
loading
on.
is complete.
There we have it. It is indeed continuing.
RCS testing is now underway.
Good news there. Engines gimbling once again. Approaching T-minus 5 minutes.
SN-2 is switching to internal power. COPVs have been pressurized for cryogenic test.
As you see, the frost on the vehicle there, it's gotten way bigger from the lines to now that. It's the condensation of the propellant, as the propellant is pretty cold, and that is ice. And now T-minus 5 minutes there.
ADA's alignment complete. SN-2 is on internal power.
ADA's alignment is now complete. Good news.
LOX loading nearly complete.
And now LOX loading is nearly complete, which is also good news. We should be hearing that go no-go poll within a few minutes.
Gas closeouts have started. LOX load is complete.
And our LOX load is complete.
FTS has been armed. This is
FTS
LD.
is armed.
Go no go pole for D tank and recycle for static fire. Range. Range is go. Propellant. Propellant is go. Propulsion. Propulsion is go. LD is go to recycle count and static fire. Vehicle D tank procedure start.
LD is go for that D-tank procedure. Approaching T-minus 2 minutes now.
This time, LD verifies good cryogenic test. We will empty the tanks and refill them for static fire.
Good news there, as they're gonna partially refill it. And we're now approaching T-minus 1 minute. As you see, the frost is now going away. As you see, it's lowering as that propellant is getting less and
Vehicle
less.
is detanking at normal speeds.
So cool how you can see it lowering. Same with the top part.
This is LD. Countdown. Net is complete. We will recycle count on my mark to T-minus 10 minutes for static fire.
And as you heard there, LD is gonna recycle the count back to T-minus 10 minutes. As it continues to detank, and the frosting is getting less and less, as you can see there.
Detanking rates continue to be nominal.
Detanking rates continues to be nominal, good call out there, as it's going at the speed and time they've expected.
Hold detanking.
Oh? Hold detanking?
This is for verification of propellant holding in the tanks. Tests are good. Resume detanking on my mark. 3, 2, 1.
And there it continues. It is so close, as you see there. It's almost done. Should be hearing that call out for detank procedure is done, so tune in and listen.
The tank procedure is 95% complete.
Very close there. 95% complete. And it should be done almost. And there it is. Frost is...
Lots.
There we go.
Tank done. Detank procedure complete. Propellant verifies nominal detank procedure. This is LD, go no go poll for T-minus 10 minute recycle. Range. Range is go. Propellant. Propellant is go. Propulsion. Propulsion is go. Copy, all stations reading go. LD is go for T-minus 10 minute recycle on my mark. Three, two, one, mark. Propellant load has started both LOX and methane. Mr. Gimbal tests. Weather is go at this time. Fueling closeout has...
Fueling closeout has now started. As we only need a little bit of propellant to do this static fire. And just to confirm, weather's go at this time, that's good news. Just to confirm, this is a static fire. This is not going to be a launch, so we will not be taking off. It is just going to be doing a static fire. T-minus 7 minutes now. As you see, a little bit of frost in there.
RCS testing has begun.
RCS testing has begun, as you can see there. Little puffs of the RCS at the bottom. The frost
SN-2
continues
is
to
switching
rise,
to internal power.
and it is now switching to internal power.
SN-2 is on internal power.
As you heard there, SN2 is now on internal power.
Fueling closeout.
Fueling closeout. So that means that the fueling should be done, and that thrust is gonna stay just where it is. Right there. At T-minus 5 minutes. 5 minutes.
Pressurization. COPVs have been pressurized for static fire.
COPVs have been pressurized for static fire. Good news there, as we are at T-minus 5 minutes until that static fire.
ADO's alignment is complete.
ADO's alignment is now complete. Mission Control continues to give good callouts.
Ground gas closeouts have completed. FTS has been armed.
FTS is now armed. T-minus 3 minutes. The FTS is there for if the vehicle does somehow come loose from the pad and it can be terminated safely. Should be hearing that go no-go pull for static fire here in a few.
All stations prepare for go no go.
There we have it. Should be hearing it now.
All stations, this is LD for the final go no go poll for static fire. Range. Range is go. Propulsion. Propulsion is go. Propellant. Propellant is go. Copy. This is LD. All stations have verified go for static fire. LD is go for static fire.
Amazing news there, as we are go for static fire. As
Tanks
we
are
approach
pressurizing for test.
T-minus 1 minute and 40 seconds. Mission Control continuing to look over the vehicle and see if there are any problems whatsoever.
The Mr. Final engine chill down.
We are back.
SN-2 is in startup.
Loss of signal. I am going to be quiet from here on out. Enjoy the static fire, everyone, and we will see how it goes.
This is LD. LZ is go for SN-2 static fire. T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4.
On the vehicle is so strong that it needs clamps to keep the vehicle on that pad, and if it does end up breaking loose, the FTS will be able there to terminate the vehicle safely.
Vehicle is broken free from clamps. FTS has been activated.
Broke loose from the clamps. As I was telling you there, the FTS is there to terminate it safely, as it just did. Don't know how that has happened.
All stations, look over data. We are entering emergency procedures G.7.
Luckily, no one was near the pad, so no one got hurt, luckily. This was not a manned vehicle, luckily, so...
SN-2 has been completely destroyed. Rest in peace, SN-2. Rest in peace, SN-1.
So sad to see that happen. We were hoping for a good static fire test of SN-2. But sadly, those clamps were probably not strong enough to hold the thrust.
At this time, we believe that SN-2 lost communication with the engine. Therefore, it did not receive the command to shut down. And the clamps are not made to last this long, so it broke free.
That's not very good news, that the vehicle lost communication and it didn't really get the signal to shut down the engines.
Appears to okay health. Clamps are completely shorn off.
As you heard there, the clamps are completely torn off, as the clamps are not really meant to hold this long of thrust.
We are continuing to look over the data. At the time of FTS activation, we lost all signal, have not gained it back. The vehicle is completely destroyed.
as you saw, at least there, that the FTS did do its thing and safely terminate the vehicle, which is good. If it did not do that, it probably would have flown off into the distance, and we would not want that.
SN-1 and SN-2 are both lost. Rest in peace. Pieces. We are continuing to look over the data. We will release a public statement. At this time, we are ending our mission control here.
As you heard there will be a announcement made on what happened, so stay tuned in the Discord. Alrighty, awful there to see it blow. Oh, get off the clamps. Hopefully we see better next time and a successful static fire next time. Yeah, that has been me, Janko. I am the Chief Technical Officer and the lead of IO, and I hope you have enjoyed the stream and have a good rest of your day.